Okay, next update. We've had a little more work done. This area you can see here hasn't been anything been done yet, but the bricks have been delivered. Over almost 4,500 bricks. We've got two colors. Got gray and this red. At work over here, they started laying brick yesterday. We're 2 men short today because they went to another job. This is the work that's been done. The pattern you can see from the house. These guys do very good work. They fill in the edges with cement when they're done. They laid down sand and compacted all the sand. And this is the other area. It's been done. This side is going to be a little strange. I don't know if you can see, but this gets smaller. This area shrinks as it gets up here. I didn't realize the property is longer here. So when I did my measurements, I thought this was square, but this actually comes down like this. So the pattern's going to be a little funny. They're going to have to cut bricks over here. So we'll see what it comes out like, but I think it's going to be fine. And then there's going to be a walkway from here. That pattern is going to continue to that gate like that, and then cement on this side, and then there's going to be brick along that cement straight over from this corner, straight over like that, and then cement this way to the driveway, you know, following this line up to here. Cement there for the driveway with steel reinforcement for cars. So that's it. Daily update completed. Talk to you later.